Force and friction are two basic but very important concepts in physics that explain how objects move or stay still. A force is simply a push or pull acting on an object. When you push a door to open it or pull a bag toward you, you are applying force. Force can change the shape, speed, or direction of an object. For example, when you kick a football, the force from your foot makes the ball move. Forces can be contact forces, like pushing, pulling, friction, or non-contact forces, like gravity and magnetism. The stronger the force, the greater its effect on the object's motion. Friction is a special type of force that always acts in the opposite direction of motion. Motion simply means the movement of an object from one place to another over time. When an object starts moving due to a force, friction works against that movement, trying to slow it down or stop it completely. For example, when you slide a book across a table, the motion of the book is opposed by friction, which gradually reduces its speed until it comes to rest. In this way, motion and friction are closely connected. Motion tries to keep an object moving, while friction resists that motion and controls how long or how far the object moves. There are different types of friction. Static friction acts when an object is at rest and prevents it from moving, like when you try to push a heavy box, but it doesn't move at first. Sliding friction acts when an object is already moving over a surface, like a book sliding on a table. Rolling friction occurs when objects roll, like wheels on a road, and it is usually less than sliding friction. The amount of friction depends on how rough the surfaces are and how hard they are pressed together. In simple terms, force is what makes things move, and friction is what tries to stop that movement. Like, share, and subscribe for more science videos.